You're recording? Right, you want a 2-minute timer. How long do you want that 2 minutes to last?
You can put down a stopwatch if you want.
Yeah! 1 minute 29!
And do one more trick.
You want to do a trick?
Yeah.
Oh my God, do we let him?
Yeah, go on.
Go on then.
Right, stop with this up for me.
Sorry?
Mix up for me.
Do you want the microphone? Yeah, you want to hold a
I'll tell
microphone?
you what, I'll just translate. He's just asked my friend here to mix it up, right?
Yeah, can you mix up for me?
You want
Mix
me
it up.
to mix up this?
Yeah.
All right. Okay, I'm mixing it up. Yeah? Everyone watching me mix up this thing,
Talk
yeah?
into this.
This guy's a superstar. I don't
Say
know
hello.
who he is.
Hi.
But anyway. All right, now what?
You can put a timer on for 2 minutes if you want.
2-minute timer. Who's got a 2-minute timer? No? You got a phone in your hand? You're recording? Right, you want a 2-minute timer. How long do you want that 2 minutes to last?
You can put down a stopwatch if you want.
Do you want to do 30 seconds instead?
How long do
No,
you
I
want?
can't do 30 seconds.
Right, you want 2 minutes, right?
Can
20 seconds gone.
you not put pressure on me, please?
Say that again.
Don't do pressure on me, please.
Huh?
He said
Don't
don't
put pressure on
put
me.
pressure
Don't put
on
pressure
him.
on. You're the one who got up here on the stage. 30 seconds gone. You've only got a minute and a half left.
I think he's nearly there. I think.
You got a minute. You got a minute. You've got a minute.
Okay, 1 minute gone. It's okay, don't worry. Don't worry, you've still got a bit more time.
Yeah! 1 minute 29.
Whoa!
1 minute 29. Yeah!
Ladies and gentlemen, that was Ion.
Yay!
All
Well
right.
done, son.
Ion,
Well
don't
done,
do
son.
that again, okay? That was not in the script, but congratulations. Out, off you go.